Hi, today we are going to see professions quiz video. Question number 1. What do we call book writers? Option A, author. Question number 2. What do we call writers of poems? Option B, poet. Question number 3. What do we call people who rescue others from fire? Option C, firefighters. Question number 4. What do we call people who write the news? Option B, journalist. Question number 5. What do we call people who make statues? Option B, sculptor. Question number 6. What do we call people who treat animals? Option A, veterinarian. Question number 7. What do we call people who design building? Option C, architect. Question number 8. What do we call people who steer a ship? Option A, helmsman. Question number 9. What do we call people who sell medicine? Option C, pharmacist. Question number 10. What do we call people who sell vegetables? Option A, greengrocer. Thank you and subscribe for more content.